Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy. I'm back after a little bit of an extended break this week. Good to be back. Uh, it's still hot, so I'm here with your fantastic Friday and weekend update. Looks like we're going to have a little bit of stormy weather as that song would go later tonight into Saturday morning. You can see how this low pressure down here below Maryland, south of Maryland, and northern Virginia just is kind of percolating all this frontal passage, and that kind of makes its way through Saturday, most of Saturday night and Sunday. There's still some residual showers around the area that could it could be scattered around the area. So just to be aware of that high pressure way up here in the North Atlantic, which will pretty much clear the air for next week, and by next weekend, Labor Day weekend, we should be back into some more comfortable weather. Oops, sorry. But to show you the weather story. The weather story for us is more of the same. Heat indices well into the hundreds, just terribly muggy. The air quality is not good. So, whatever you can do to stay indoors and work out indoors, that would be a good idea. The the severe weather threat for most of this weekend is mostly thunderstorms. I wouldn't be too concerned with anything but that. So this will help the heat and the humidity, but it won't eliminate it until another front comes through later Monday into Tuesday. So that's what. So this weekend kind of sets up that. We do have a severe weather issue down in New Orleans, a tropical storm Ida, which probably is slowly becoming Hurricane Ida, is threatening the Gulf Coast this weekend. She's now here by 2 p.m. Friday. She'll be right on Cuba. Uh, Later tomorrow, she'll be uh, well off the coast of the Florida Peninsula. But as soon as she gets into the Gulf on Saturday afternoon, that's when she's going to rev up into hurricane status. And even though it's a relatively short distance between the middle of the Gulf to the Gulf Coast, she's gonna strengthen really fast, really fast. So everywhere along the Gulf Coast, beware, and of course New Orleans. But you have to understand something. New Orleans, most hurricanes come in and go west or east of New Orleans. It all depends on where it goes. If it goes to the west, then New Orleans is on the heavier side of the rain and the flooding, and we all know what is involved with that. If she goes on the east side, if a hurricane goes on the east side of New Orleans, New Orleans gets a lot of wind. They get their rain, but it's not as bad as if it would be on if it came in on the west. So it looks like it's coming in on the west. On the east side is where the inundation will happen. So New Orleans really has to beef up this weekend and make sure that their levees and supports and everything else hold up. And that and Ida will go into the central U.S. and affect us with remnants of Ida later next week. So that's it from us. Brandon Doherty, Daily Weather Guy. Have a great Friday, great weekend. It's going to be hot, steamy down the shore too. So if you're looking for an escape down the beaches, you're not going to get much relief. Adios.